Hey guys, welcome back. So last time we were here we built the Ghost, which was pretty awesome. So this time we're going to build its partner item, which is this, the TIE Advanced prototype. It's a 93p piece, currently available from the LEGO website for $8.99. Link again in the description as before. So let's see what we get in this box. Please don't fold the book. It's folded again. You know, just make the book smaller and then it would fit nicely. I don't know. Anyway, so again, 2 bags. So let's have a look. So this is a TIE Advanced prototype that we're building. Let's just empty these bags out. No numbers on them again, so it doesn't matter obviously if they're all together. Guy's head there. So let's get this built. So first things first, we just need to build the Lego man's himself. Where's his legs? That. So this is the TIE Fighter pilot we've got here. Sweet. Hello, I'm a man and TIE Fighter pilot. Cool, so we'll put him to one side and then we'll try and get this built again. There's like a piece missing. Is there a piece missing? Is it just me? What? Where's the piece with the... Wait, what? Well, it's right in front of me. Is there only one though? Am I being blind? Oh, it's because it's upside down. There we go. Okay, so you do that 4 times. And there we go, there's the finished product, the TIE Advanced prototype. So it comes with one spare little grey angle piece and one little blue half connector that you can use with the Lego Technic pieces. Awesome, a lot faster to build and easier to build than the Ghost. So the wings move out as well, which is nice. It's got these partial launchers at the bottom here as well, so you just kind of like push them out, which is pretty awesome. Then a little TIE Fighter pilot guy can sit in there with his pistol. Helps if you put that on his hand first. There we go. Stick him in it. Sit. Sit. There we go. Pretty awesome. I'm not sure why it has this piece at the back. So if we have a look there, that's one of those connection pieces to make the connection moving. I'm not sure if maybe it's designed so that if you wanted to build a base for it maybe or something, you could clip it on and support it on a wall somewhere. It's very bizarre, the Ghost didn't have anything like that, so I'm not sure what that's for. There's nothing in the picture about it, there's nothing in the book. Just double check that I put the piece on the right way around. Yeah, it's just there in the book, look, just sticks out. Well, anyway, that's the TIE Advance prototype. Sweet little piece of machinery with the Ghost, so that makes the full set there, which is pretty awesome. Next time we'll build the X-Wing, I think. Maybe not, maybe we'll build the Snowspeeder. Anyway, as always guys, thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.